Want to create an avatar on WhatsApp using your iPhone but don't know how? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up an avatar on your WhatsApp profile. Let's jump right in. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings from the bottom right. Here you can see the avatar option under your profile name. Now tap on it. Then tap Create Your Avatar. Next, tap Get Started. Now here you will get two options, Create from Selfie and Create Manually. If you want to create an avatar by taking an instant selfie, then choose Create from Selfie option. Otherwise, you can choose the next one. Like I'm going to choose the next one, Create Manually. Now select your skin tone. Then tap Next. Now choose the hairstyle and then tap Next. Now choose Face Shape. If you scroll down a little bit, you can adjust the face shape if you want. After that, tap Next. Now choose the body type. If you scroll down a little bit, you can adjust the body type as well. And then tap Save and Continue. Here you can choose style for your avatar. Finally, tap Save from the top right corner. And it's saved. To see the avatar, go back to WhatsApp settings. Then tap Avatar. And here it is. Here's how to set an avatar on your WhatsApp profile using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.